capturing life's precious moments has never been easier. Camera backpacks are a photographer's best friend, providing the perfect blend of comfort, protection, and organization. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 camera backpacks that will elevate your photography experience to new heights. You're an adventurer at heart, always seeking new experiences and capturing them through your lens. Meet the Ulanzi BP09 camera backpack, your trusty companion that will keep your gear secure and organized no matter where your journey takes you. With a whopping 22-liter storage capacity, this backpack can easily accommodate 2 cameras and 4 lenses, thanks to its personalized dividers that adapt to your needs. But don't let its size fool you. It's remarkably compact and lightweight at just 1.52 kilograms, making it the perfect travel buddy for your daily urban explorations. Quick side access? Check. No more fumbling around. Simply unzip and grab your gear without even removing the backpack. Comfort and security are top priorities too, with padded straps, a breathable back panel, and anti-theft features that give you peace of mind. And let's not forget about the water-repellent material and waterproof zippers, because your precious equipment deserves protection, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing into the great outdoors. Imagine a camera backpack that combines functionality and versatility in one sleek package. Meet the Pergaitek OneMo Lite, your new best friend for capturing life's extraordinary moments. With a generous 22-liter capacity and modular partitions, this backpack lets you customize your storage to perfection. Whether you're packing for a day trip or a week-long adventure, the OneMo Lite has got your back. But wait, there's more. The front compartment provides dedicated space for your stabilizers and other essentials, while the side quick access lets you whip out your gear in a flash, ensuring you never miss that perfect shot. Feeling a little paranoid about security? No worries. The anti-theft YKK zipper and AirTag pocket have got you covered. And when you need to switch up your carrying style, the quick grab handles offer versatile options. Laptop? Check. The padded rear sleeve keeps your trusty companion safe and sound. And let's not forget about the splash-proof material, because Mother Nature can be unpredictable, but your equipment will always be protected. Prepare to be blown away by the Tarion Hexagon XL, a camera backpack that redefines versatility and organization. With its divided top and bottom camera compartments, complete with removable dividers, this backpack can accommodate a whopping 2 cameras and 8 lenses simultaneously. But that's not all. It also comes with a companion DSLR shoulder bag that can hold an additional camera and 2 lenses. Talk about a dynamic duo. Quick access is a breeze with the hardshell top compartment, perfectly sized for your DSLR. And let's not forget the 3 lockable zippers, ensuring the utmost security for your precious gear. Need to bring along some extra gear for your outdoor adventures? No problem. The Hexagon XL boasts 4 detachable and adjustable straps, allowing you to securely carry tripods, drones, tents, and more. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This backpack is a true organizational masterpiece with a total of 13 storage pockets, both inside and out, to keep everything neat and tidy no matter how much you're packing. Comfort is key when you're out in the field, and the Hexagon XL delivers with its adjustable height settings, padded air mesh straps, and back panel that enhances airflow. Plus, the widened detachable waist belt with a camera or lens holster and waterproof rain cover ensures maximum comfort and protection, no matter the conditions. Speaking of protection, this backpack's water-repellent fabric and waterproof, dirt-resistant bottom have your back, keeping your belongings safe and dry no matter where you go. Introducing the Bagsmart Aniston Camera Backpack, your new travel companion that's equal parts function and style. This is designed to keep your precious gear safe and organized, whether you're exploring the urban jungle or venturing into the great outdoors. With a spacious interior, you can comfortably fit 1 DSLR camera with a 7200mm lens attached, plus 5 standard lenses and other accessories. But wait, there's more! The top storage space is reserved for your personal belongings, ensuring you've got everything you need within reach. And let's talk about versatility. With the removable padded dividers, you can customize the space to your heart's content. Not feeling the camera life today? No problem. Simply remove the dividers, connect the upper and lower compartments, and voila! You've got yourself a sleek laptop backpack. But that's not all. Its adjustable chest strap keeps the bag snug against your body, ensuring a stable and comfortable carry, perfect for any wildlife photography journey. Next up, we have the K&F Concept Beta Backpack, a functional masterpiece that effortlessly blends aesthetics and utility. With its exclusive color-matching design, the Beta Backpack adds a touch of sophistication to your photography game. The main compartment can easily accommodate one camera, 4 lenses, a tripod, and a plethora of other photography accessories. Plus, you could even fit a DJI Mavic drone in there. And that's just the beginning. Upper compartment for personal belongings and laptop sleeve for a 15.6-inch laptop. But what really sets the Beta Backpack apart is its unparalleled accessibility. The side access lets you quickly grab your gear without having to remove the backpack, ensuring you never miss that perfect shot. And if you need to organize your equipment on the go, simply unzip the back panel for effortless access to all your compartments. And let's not forget about the EPE foam padded layer, which safeguards your equipment from unexpected drops or shocks. Whether you're embarking on an urban adventure or exploring the great outdoors, this backpack is your ultimate companion. Brace yourselves for the ultimate battle-ready backpack, the Lowa Pro ProTactic BP 450 AW2. This high-performance modular beast is designed to conquer any terrain and protect your precious gear like a loyal bodyguard. With 4-point access to your equipment, you'll never miss a critical moment. Whether you're capturing the beauty of nature or the energy of a bustling city, your camera and lenses will be within reach at all times. And speaking of reach, the waist belt converts into a utility belt, complete with included accessories, so you can carry everything you need without breaking a sweat. But wait, there's more. This backpack is built with Lowa Pro's legendary form shell construction, providing superior protection for your gear. No matter how rugged the journey, your cameras and lenses will remain safe and sound, nestled in their armored cocoon. And let's not forget about the SlipLock modular accessories, a series of ingenious add-ons that will make you feel like a true photography ninja. From pouches to straps, you can customize this backpack to suit your specific needs, ensuring you're always prepared for any mission. But what good is all that gear if you can't keep your laptop safe? Fear not, for the Cradle Fit compartment has got your back. Designed to safeguard up to a 15-inch laptop, this nifty feature will keep your precious data secure and within reach. Have you heard about the amazing DSLR Proc Pack from InCase? This backpack is designed to cater to your every need and make your photography experience a breeze. With room for 1 to 2 Pro DSLRs, attached lenses, and up to 4 extra lenses and 2 flashes, this backpack means business. But wait, there's more. It's got a cozy spot for your 15-inch MacBook Pro and tablet, because we all know how crucial on-the-go editing can be. The fully adjustable dividers let you customize the layout, while multiple pockets offer ample storage for all your accessories. Quick access? Check. The back panel zipper and secondary zipper let you grab your gear in a flash, ensuring you never miss that perfect shot. And let's not forget the adjustable tripod straps, because every photographer's best friend deserves a spot. Comfort? This backpack has your back with padded shoulder straps and a breathable mesh panel. Crafted from durable heathered nylon with a soft fleece lining, your precious equipment will be cradled in luxury. Simply put, the InCase DSLR Pro Pack is a powerhouse designed to make your photography adventures a breeze. So, that's all about the 7-camera backpack. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.